How you doing, Aaron?
I'm okay. Feels like a very productive day, and also like the day went by too fast. Not enough time.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you, Deacon?
I'm okay. I feel whelmed. Summer
Yes.
camp feels too close. Um,
Which summer camp?
summer camp. So we got the dojo from Durango coming up, bringing people to do battle.
Mm-hmm.
First weekend in August, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really great to see them all. But we still have some setup and some provisioning to do, and it just feels real tight. But we can get it done. And
Mm-hmm.
making content and doing social media is not the most natural thing to me. So I've been doing that and
Yeah.
feeling into it. We're changing up the dojo pedagogy a little bit to help people progress a little more efficiently. And it's just a lot.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
That is a lot.
It's just a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you're gonna learn how to play Go,
Yes.
and in our dojo we have a tradition with how people learn how to play Go. I mean, sometimes people come in and they already know how to play Go, which is perfectly fine. The way we teach Go um, is that we we only give one detail of the game, which is black goes first,
Okay.
and then you'll figure it out from there. And
Okay.
there are a few reasons for that. One is that when I was fairly new to Go, it was at the same time that there were a couple other people around Pablo's, the coffee shop, where there was a lot of chess that was played that were learning Go. And I saw several people who could play Go. I would listen and watch when they were explaining how to play Go, and inevitably they would say things that were misleading and anchored people in a kind of thinking about the game. And so, I'm a Menkyo. I'm a third degree black belt Menkyo in the Karagatore Ryu. So I've got a doctorate in violence, but I don't actually have any official ranking in Go. And Go uses the same ranking system.
Really interesting.
If you're getting fidgety. Okay. Anyway, and so with Menkyo, I have it's the like duty and privilege of teaching, right? Mostly it's the duty to teach. I don't have a Menkyo or even close. I'm not even a first Q in Go, and so I don't teach anybody how to play Go. And so it's like I basically know how to play Go, and so you learn to play Go through just doing it.
Yeah, just
And
letting
it-
go.
Yeah, just playing Go. And it actually it adjoins this very critical skill that is a part of our discipline. So if you think about like that, we were talking yesterday about sparring. There's this skill of seeing and changing how you see to understand implications. And so learning to play Go the way we learn to play Go is actually this big exercise in a martial combative skill, which is looking for the implications in shape. And so looking for the implications in shape to actually figure out what the rules are is it's a big exercise in our system. And then once the game is over, the one thing that we do also explain is like how the scoring works. Like you kind of have to verbally say, okay, this is your score, that's your, this is that.
Okay.
So we describe the result of the game, but aside from that, the only thing we actually say is black goes first.
Okay.
I don't know. What do you think about that?
So you don't do any
Nope.
scoring during, or you're not necessarily talking about the scoring during the game.
No.
Okay, it just all comes after.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything's after.
Yeah. No, I mean, I think that makes a lot of sense, especially for our system. And I really appreciate how there's almost like this sense of, I find through our system in the actual martial art of it, and then it seems like with Go as well, that there's like a responsibility that you take over yourself and how you're showing up, and then how that creates a what's the word I'm looking for? Like, there's a reaction to everyone else involved. Like, there's I don't know. I lost how I wanted to say it, but
Okay.
yeah, like I can definitely tell how that makes sense and how it translates, and that this is like, I can see how playing Go over time simultaneously with acting in the martial art, that it would help strengthen like big parts of the principles of things. So
For sure.
yeah.
All right. You ready to just jump in and do it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Sweet. So. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm just,
Look at the camera.
yeah, it's kind of funny. Oh, look at Osha. Look at Osha. Oh, such a cute puppy. Oh,